Now our base form is ready, and next what I'm going to show you is how we can use images and layouts. So first, images. We can set up images on different things such as the title photo or the option, etc. So first, the title photo. To set the photo, click on this select image here, and from here click on select from Dropbox, or if you have premium account, click on upload. But we highly recommend to use Dropbox or a web URL. You can directly paste the link of your image from internet in this field here. So click on select from Dropbox and then click on the image you want to select, or you can upload your files in Dropbox and you can select it. And and after you have made any change, you need to save the screens. Let's preview the form, and that's how this is currently looking. So what we can do is we go here and we center our text, and that's how it looks right now. So now if you want to remove the photo, click on delete button here and again save the screen, and now you open, we have photo removed. Now I want to show you some layout things. So if we go to all screen settings, from here we can go to layout tab, and from here depending upon screen type we'll have different options for layout. Right now the text and image in title section is in rows, but if we switch it to this stacking layout and we save our screen and preview the form, we have this image in stacking order. We can use a transparent PNG, etc. to achieve the effect we want. Next thing is, if there is an input, then how layout will look. So again we select the photo. Here I'm selecting this one from gallery, select it and click cross button, save it, and first let's just preview this. So if I click next, so that's how it is currently looking. We have photo and we have text. Now if I go to all settings and layout, I have an other section here. So if I click this is the default one that looks like this one, the rows layout. But if I switch it to column and I save it, I refresh it and click next, so that's how it is looking right now. I have image here and then I have this input field here. And next, if I go back to settings again and switch to layout and click on this stacking layout button for title and image, I refresh the form. In that mode you can see this image is full height and that text field is in center. So you can combine different options to achieve your layout. If we move to now options, we can set up the option photo similarly by selecting the image. And if I select images here to show you, I need to save them, and that's how these multiple choice questions look currently. So now I set the title photo of this one, and if I go to screen settings and in layouts. Now I have another option, that is for options layout. I can select this one, this and this, and refresh it. So previously we had this rows layout for option screen, and now my options are in linear mode, and that's how this layout currently looks after these settings. So we can achieve our own layout by selecting layout of individual sections. Okay, so the next thing I want to show is if we go to menu and branding. Here we can set the image for our social media preview. Again, I select from Dropbox this image. That image is just for demo, and you need to select the image that is in correct size. So click on update, and if I copy the URL by going to form, share, and copy this, I open social media preview website and paste link here, and that's how my image will look when I share this on social media websites. Another thing is if I go to response, here I can set up the response I want to show. For example, I want to show thank you, your data is submitted, and here I also can select the photo. So if I select the photo here, and again I can set up the layout and save it, and I refresh this form to submit it, and I provide the feedback and click on submit. So this is how our response screen will look. Again, we can use transparent PNGs, etc. to make it according to our needs. We can also use JavaScript to modify this screen, and we are going to learn about that in later videos. And the last thing for this video is transitions. So if I go to this screen and I go to all screen settings, and from here if I go to layout, I can set up how this transition will look. So I can set up transition, I can set up direction, and I can set up the speed. So let's say I want from top to right fly animation for this one, and I want uh, from bottom to top for this one. Click on save and refresh the form. So that was normal transition from right to left, but now we have transition from top, and again I enter my name, so that is a different transition. That was it for this video, and please don't forget to like this video and share. Thank you for watching the video, and we'll see you in next one.